You're looking to dive into the world of crypto, right? You've heard the buzzwords, seen the charts, and now you're ready to take the plunge. But where do you start? Coinbase? Wealthsimple? These are two of the biggest names in the game, promising easy access to a world of digital currencies. But which one is actually better for you? Let's break it down. Understanding the basics. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what these platforms actually are. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange, primarily focused on buying, selling, and trading various digital assets. Think of it as a marketplace for crypto. Wealthsimple, on the other hand, is an investment app that offers a range of financial products, including cryptocurrency investing. It's more of an all-in-one financial hub. Fees, the hidden cost. Let's talk about money, because, well, that's what investing is all about. Fees can eat into your profits, so it's crucial to understand where your money is going. Coinbase typically charges a spread, which is the difference between the buy and sell price. They also have transaction fees. Wealthsimple, on the other hand, has a management fee based on your investment amount. It's important to compare these fees across different cryptocurrencies and investment amounts to see which platform comes out on top for your specific needs. User experience. How easy is it? Investing can be complex, but the platform you use shouldn't be. Coinbase is generally known for its user-friendly interface, especially for beginners. Buying and selling crypto is straightforward. Wealthsimple, while offering a broader range of financial services, can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming for those new to investing. However, their cryptocurrency investing feature is relatively simple to use. Cryptocurrency selection, what's on offer? Variety is the spice of life, or so they say. When it comes to crypto, having options is crucial. Coinbase boasts a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins. Wealthsimple offers a curated selection of cryptocurrencies, focusing on what they believe to be the most promising assets. The question is, do you want the freedom to explore a vast crypto universe, or do you prefer a more curated investment approach? Security, keeping your money safe. Your hard-earned money deserves the best protection. Both Coinbase and Wealthsimple have implemented robust security measures. They use encryption, two-factor authentication, and other safeguards to keep your assets secure. However, it's essential to do your own research and understand the risks involved in cryptocurrency investing. Remember, no platform is completely immune to hacks or other security breaches. Customer support, when things go wrong. We all hope for smooth sailing, but sometimes things go wrong. That's when customer support becomes crucial. Both Coinbase and Wealthsimple offer customer support channels, but the quality and responsiveness can vary. It's worth checking out user reviews and experiences to get a better idea of how each platform handles customer issues. Additional features, what else do you get? Beyond buying and selling crypto, what else do these platforms offer? Coinbase has expanded its services to include staking, earning rewards, and NFT trading. Wealthsimple, as a broader investment platform, offers features like tax loss harvesting and automated investing for your entire portfolio. Consider what additional features are important to you and which platform aligns better with your financial goals. Which one is right for you? So, Coinbase or Wealthsimple? The answer depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're primarily interested in crypto trading and want a wide range of options, Coinbase might be the better choice. If you're looking for a more holistic investment approach and prefer a curated selection of cryptocurrencies, Wealthsimple could be a good fit. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to explore both platforms and see which one feels right for you. Choosing the right platform is a crucial first step on your crypto journey. By understanding the key factors like fees, user experience, cryptocurrency selection, security, and customer support, you can make an informed decision. Remember, the crypto market is volatile, so it's essential to do your own research and invest wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.